Hey everybody, it's time to do a grill on my brand new Blackstone. Got it all seasoned up, ready to go. My first cook's going to be a Philly cheesesteak using some of that prime New York strip steak. Going to slice it up here in just a minute and fire this grill up. See if I can pull this one off. Ain't never used one of these before. Be right back. Got the gas on, heating up. Oil on here with the olive oil. Get these peppers and onions going. Sliced up bell peppers. Sliced up onions. Yeah, all of them. A little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic. Sir, look at there. Alright, now let's get to slicing this steak. Slice this up nice and thin. That prime New York strip. It's gonna be so good. Boy, it sure is a beautiful day today, ain't it? This is National Grilling Day too, I believe. I think so. Alright, we got those peppers and onions over here looking nice and softened up. Look at that, starting to brown a little bit. Got them over here on the cooler side. Over here we're gonna put a little bit more oil back in here. Bit of olive oil. Spread that around a little bit. We're going to throw this steak on. Look at that. Spread that out a little bit. Bit of SPG on there. How about a little bit of Uncle Steve's Shake Original? I bet that would be good too. Just a little bit. But it's going to be good. There's a trick to handling two spatulas at the same time. This is my first time trying to use two at the same time, flipping things. Kind of difficult until you learn how to do it. Won't be long. Can you smell that? Man, that's smelling good. Yeah. Alright, we got all the steak done. I'm going to take these peppers. Put them right on top right there. And then put them over there. Spread them out nice and neat. Like that right there. See there. There they are. Now for the cheese. Some provolone. Close that lid down. See what it looks like here in a minute. Start to melt nice in there. Sir. Looking good. They go a little bit longer. Alright, got some buttered rolls. Some hoagie rolls. Put them right there on the griddle, get them that butter melted on them. We're just about ready. I think it's going to turn out good. They're looking pretty good. Can't wait to see what they taste like. I think it's time to load these up. What do you think? Roll right there. Oh, brother, look at that. Look at that. Don't that look good? There's one. There's number two. I think the family's going to be happy. Oh, brother. Try that. Oh, yeah. That's good. Number three. I think this one will be mine. Get all the extra. I think that's going to be mine right there. All the burners are off. There's the last one. I think it's going to be kind of hot to eat. Hey, I got to try this right now. Oh man. New York strip makes a mighty fine Philly cheesesteak. There you go. Look at this dripping. It's dripping stuff all over the pool deck. Pup will come out and get it. Happy Sunday. Grilling day. Y'all have a great one. I know this is going to be good. Talk to y'all later. Have a good day now.